Yo, has Jason texted you back yet? I thought he was supposed to meet us out here. He's 15 minutes late.
No, not yet. Let me check my phone.
Young Money.
No, nothing yet. I swear he hasn't been the same since Steph beat him in that basketball game. I think he's still shook about that.
Yeah, that whooping was pretty bad, and once he hit him with that step back three, ooh, it was over. Night. But everybody takes an L, you just have to learn from it and move on. All I know is he needs to get out here before we spark without him.
For real though, I'll try to text him one more time. Ah!
Jason? Is that you?
Hey guys, sorry I was late. I got caught up watching something on YouTube.
I hope it was some basketball tips because Steph whooped that ass.
Got him!
Steph? Where?
He's not here. Quit tripping. What were you watching that made you late?
Well, I got deep into a conspiracy wormhole about our government. Did you know that they're spying on us?
Of course they are. Most people know our government has a shady history. I bet my CIA agent is listening into this conversation right now.
Nah, not that. That's just a myth. Now they're going even deeper. They're spying, listening to all of us. Every conversation, every damn word. They're using animals now. Yes, it's that deep.
Animals?
I'm telling you, animals. Birds specifically. Telling you, man, birds are not real. Have you ever seen a baby pigeon? No. Have you ever noticed that birds never blink? Absolutely no emotion. They're all robots.
Nigga, are you high?
Not yet. Did you know that they're spying on us?